Welcome to Shortcut channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to blur a face professionally using Affinity. This method is simple and perfect for protecting someone's identity. Let's get started. First, make sure you're working in the pixel persona. Next, select the layer you want to edit. Then choose the filter brush tool. From the top menu, select Gaussian blur. You can also resize your brush here. Now, gently brush over the face to apply the blur. After that, go to the layer where the filter was added and double-click on it to adjust the blur radius until you get the result you want. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to Shortcut and like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.